Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best men's leather motorcycle jackets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chouyatou men's PU leather jacket with vintage stand collar. This is a perfect selection for men. Elegant, simple and the black in color, truly provides your jacket a touch of stylishness you can dress up, even for most official events. For men who love elegance, the jacket will deliver. And, whenever you like relaxation and comfort, this jacket can be worn throughout the whole day. This motor jacket is made of high-quality faux leather. There are 2 functional pockets at the bottom sides and 1 functional pockets inside. Zip design added to the cuff. Adjustable belt added to the stand collar. Moving on at number 4, we have the Leather Biker Factory Men's Sword Jacket Black Genuine Lambskin. This sword leather jacket that is manufactured by Leather Factory is one of well-known style. It's created with quality lambskin leather and has 2 inside pockets and 4 front pockets. The liner is of quilted polyester which is comfortable and warm. Please choose your size that fits you. You can choose your size since they come with different sizes. At number 3, we have the Hot Leathers JKM 1011 Black BLKL Men's Black Leather Heavyweight Jacket with double piping. You will experience improved safety and comfort when wearing this trendy men's jacket. It is perfect for men riders, bikers and is created from a durable and tough leather material. The heavyweight product can stand on everyday usage, low temperature, abrasion, high heat, wind, rain and other effects. It has a smooth interior and wants padding for it to keep you cozy and warm. Its black color and the design make it have a classic appealing. The strong zipper firmly safeguards it to the body. Removing and wearing the jacket is easy and quick and washing it is also simple. Its nice padding guards you from any harm in case you fall into an object. At number 2, we have the Tanming men's with removable fur hood PU leather jacket. This jacket is another ideal contender for men. It features the slanted zip detail, full front zip closure that give it a perfect look, and usually keeps you warm even during the time of cold weather. Contingent upon wherever you decide on wearing this jacket, you can wear it down or up. And, it is very easy to take care for and washing, making it a perfect choice for individuals who want to dress it every day. And finally at number 1, we have the Xelement X SPR 105 Leather Racing Jacket, Black Armored. The Xelement X SPR 105 combines the qualities of abrasion-resistant, thick cowhide leather that have styling details which make this jacket appear to be great for your biking. Besides form good-looking, this Xelement motorcycle jacket features pockets and zipper vents, antique brass hardware, a full zip-out quilted lining and is CE approved with level 3 removable armor throughout to make the jacket to last for long period. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.